welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica, and today I have my BYOP update for you. This is a sort of Pan That palette that I created with Dana. She is going to be listed down below. There's a bunch of people that have joined in. This is a Pan That palette theme that we brought to the Pantastic Ladies. It did make it very far in the polls, but it did not win. We wanted to do it anyway, so you know, we're doing it, and we decided to tweak it a little bit so it wasn't exactly like a Pan That palette, and it works for us. We have decided that we are either going to try to hit pan on an eyeshadow, or if it's an eyeshadow that already has pan on it, we're going to try to finish it. And this is a rolling style, and it has no end date because we just want to enjoy it. We want to have fun. Not sure whose voice is going here. I think it's just because it's allergy season. But yeah, so we each picked 9 eyeshadows to work on. I personally am only trying to hit pan this year because this is my play year, and I may change that up once we roll into the new year. But as of right now, I am just trying to hit pan on things. So I have all of mine in this palette right here, and I'm doing pretty darn good. I did set 4 goals last update. I did not hit all of them, but I did hit 3 of them, which makes me very, very happy. So I'm going to show you the ones that I have hit pan on. The first one is the Coastal Scents Hot Pot in Peach Fuzz. I hit this a few days ago, and I really, really like this. I am finding just through playing this year, there are a bunch of things that are going on my list to pan to completion next year, and this is definitely going to be one of them. I love the shade. It is so versatile, and yeah, it is going on that list. All right, the next one that I have is the BH Cosmetics Bubs Beauty Bee palette. This was depotted a while ago, and this is the shade Genuine, and I do have some pan in there. I originally put this in thinking I could possibly make it work for my brows. It is just way too shimmery. It is a satin, but some satins pull a little more matte, where some of them pull more shimmery. This one pulled way shimmery for me, and yeah, I just used it as an eyeshadow. Since it is an eyeshadow, I mean, it makes sense that I would use it that way, and that is finally, it has pan. And then the last one is from the Profusion Eyes palette from like eons ago. And this, I don't even remember what the name is. I depotted it years ago, and I did not put the name on the back of this. But it is one of 4 left, and yeah, it's got pan on it. I will probably try to pan this to completion next year as well, just because it's easy. Why not? So those are the 3 that I hit pan on. The next one I'm going to show you is another one that I had goal to hit pan on it, and the past month I was unable to do that, but it's so close. I actually have it on my inner corners today. It is Blue Hawaiian. The dip is so deep in this one. I feel like just a few more uses and it is going to be there. I probably should have prioritized my blues a little bit more this past month, but it was a rough month, and you know, I'm not going to beat myself up about it. I hit 3 pans in this project. I'm okay with that. The rest of them, I don't have a ton of use on most of these. This one is Peach Puff. I've only used this maybe twice since the last update. This one is Marmalade. The rest of them are all Coastal Scents. And I've used this one a few times, and the dip is getting slightly bigger, but it's not there yet. Pomegranate Red, again, I've used it a little bit. Dip is starting to show, but it is just, it's, you know, that's the same with the remaining. I think I've only used this one once. This is Lavender. Barely see any disturbance in that one. And I actually used this next one to franken a little bit. This one is Neon Bright Pink. This is just hard to wear on the eyes. I mean, I do wear it on my eyes, but I guess when I got it, I wasn't even thinking that this is, it's just a hard color to wear. But yeah, I am making some progress on it, and it's going to be in here a while. We'll have to see how that goes. So I have 3 that I need to bring in. I'm very excited about it, and let's do this. All right, so the first one is the only Coastal Scents that a Coastal Scents hot pot that I'm bringing in. The other two are Coastal Scents, but they are not hot pots. This is in the shade Brownstone. Y'all know I'm going to use this in my brows. And yeah, it's just like a medium dark matte brown. I've had a lot of those in this palette so far. The next two I am super excited about. These are both from Coastal Scents. These are mica pigments. If you've watched any of my inventories in the past, these were loose. I pressed them solely for the purpose of being able to use them this year, making my life a little bit easier so that I can eventually pan them, because let's face it, we don't use our loose stuff very often. It's a hassle. So I decided I was going to press it. I have some pressing medium, and now I can put it in a palette and I can actually get some use on it. This first one is Chrome Carmine Mica Powder. I had to look on the back, and it is simply gorgeous. I am excited to use this. It kind of has like a pink base and a gold peach shimmer shift to it. The peach really pulls a lot in this one, so I'm really looking forward to wearing that one. And this next one, also a Coastal Scents mica pigment. This one is Chameleon Violet Mica Powder. It's so tiny on the back, and I am absolutely loving this. It looks purple when you look at it just straight on, but it is actually a hot pink base with purple and blue shift to it. So I'm really hoping, I haven't tested it, but I'm really hoping this is going to work well with the blues that I have in my Pan That palette, in my big Coastal Scents 88 palette. I'm trying to find ways to use those blues, and I figured what better shadow to pick than this one. Hopefully it will serve me well. So let me pop this back in here, and this is what the new palette looks like. I only have one true neutral, and that one is that matte brown up here. I know I said I was going to keep at least 2 neutrals in there, but you know, these two are neutral enough, right? I think so. I know it's super colorful, but my my whole purpose of doing this is to be able to roll things in that are very fun to play with, and things that will coordinate with other shadows that I'm working on in other projects. This is my have fun palette, and I feel like I can have a lot of fun with these. So wish me luck. I'm excited. I should set some goals. I really should set some goals. I really only have 2 that I'm going to attempt to be able to roll out next time. Blue Hawaiian, since I was unable to do it this past update, and then of course the matte brown here at Brownstone. If I'm using it in my brows, it's going to be very central to where I'm attempting to work, and I think it's probably going to be fairly easy to hit pan on that. I mean, I suppose it's possible that I don't, but if I use it in my brows, I use it as a liner, and I use it as an eyeshadow, I think I can probably hit pan on that in the next month. So definitely go check out Dana. She's going to be listed down below. She is only on Instagram. There's a bunch of other people that have joined in. It's all going to be down there. If you want to join in, we would love to have you on this painting journey. It is like, it's no pressure because there is no end date. It is rolling. You go at your own pace. Like I said, you can either choose to hit pan on something. You can choose to finish. It's up to you. It is like so stress-free, and I think that's why I'm enjoying it so much, because I got all the fun colors and I'm not stressed. I am not stressed about it at all. So that is my palette that I'm working on for this next month, and hopefully I will have a good update for you next month as well. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and until I see you in my next video, have a beautiful day.